Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how to use the chat in a Google Meet call. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use the chat in a Google Meet video call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls or other types of meetings in Google Meet, you know that sometimes you're going to have to share a link, or maybe somebody can't understand you, so you want to type it in so they can use their translator. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here direct Google Meet call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a live call on Google Meet. Now, if you want to add something into the chat, what you're going to do is click on this little talk bubble down here on the bottom right. Once you do that, it's going to open up the chat. So you can go ahead and type in whatever you wanted to say. So here is the link we are talking about. And then just click enter, and it's going to be added into the in-call messages chat. Now, I'm the only one who can chat in this particular Google Meet call. If you want to let other people chat, you can go ahead and turn it on right here. I generally wouldn't do that, especially if I don't really know the people that I'm on a Google Meet call, because they could end up typing out something really vulgar. But if these are people that you know, then maybe you want to go ahead and turn on the chat, and that way they can join in on the in-call messages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use the chat in a Google Meet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.